Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we have a quick video for you. We installed a 1x6 portrait style at a local credit union here in Stockton, California. We did another one of these videos before for the same customer. Click here to watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. 3 more of these sites to go. Quick video just showing you, another site that we've done. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. See you on the next one. Later.